Good morning, fishing nerds. It's me again, I'm back. We're here at a new spot. Never been here before. We're gonna go do some dangling, folks. Let's get it. There we go. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. First one of the day. You wanted that froggy. Well, damn it, we're back in here now. Let's see what we can. Not a bad way to start the day. Not a bad way to start the day. All right. Slammed it. That's how you want to meet the old frog. All right. Appreciate you, buddy. Thank you. All right. Brian. Oh, I missed it. Wasn't ready for that one. Got stuck in the water. That was cool though. That's two we missed. One of them was definitely my fault. Not paying attention. Oh, Jesus Christ, there's fish jumping all around me. God. There's a big old bird. It's a big heron. Man, we've only caught one fish. frogs are still making fun of me. Here we go. Get in here. I got you. That's a good one. That's a good one. It's better than the ones we've been catching, which ain't none. Hard to miss with the treble hooks. Little chubster. Thank you, mister. That's a good one. Get in here. Get in here. Not big enough to weigh yet, but not a bad one. Can't complain about that. Thank you, bud. Thank you, bud. This wind is killing us. Well, gang, I reckon that's going to be it for today's adventure. Y'all are getting a masterclass in how not to catch them on a frog. We got cocky on that first one. That's how it goes sometimes, though. Just a normal guy out here dangling, man. We still caught a few good ones, though. No world state records or nothing, but a handful of good ones. That's all right. We all know what to do. Like and subscribe. Tell your mom, tell your dad, tell your brother, tell your sister. Unintuitive angling, man. We're doing it. We'll catch you next time. There we go. That's cool. That was cool. Get in here, buddy. Hammer time on the froggy. Hammer time on the froggy. Choked it. That's how you want to get them on the frog. Not bad. Little chubber. Thank you, buddy.